Well, here we are, spot number one for the day. Got the zombie rod out, the Keiryu. This right here is the new version. The other one that is in my videos is the 13 foot, which is a prototype. So here we are with the 12 foot 3 RFI 7.5 and a fast action and a nice little finger puppet up on top. So we're gonna get on in there with this really nice light collapsible Keiryu rod or tenkara rod and see if we can get on something. There's a lot of birds out today. Sounds like blue jays and magpies mainly. Lots of blue jay action. Well, this rod being a 7.5 RFI, 12 foot fast action, it's a 4X rod, so it can only be topped out with 4X tippet, which is right here on the end of this leader. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably tie on a new section here real quick, a 4X, and get this day started. All right, well, now we're telescoped out, tied on. We got a new piece of 4X coming down here and connecting up to this mini leech. So let's see, that's only one fly on there. It's topped out in 4X. I never really run longer lines than the length of my rod. I normally run the length of it or a little shorter, but it just makes it easier to land fish when you don't have to put your hands on the line. There we go. That's a fish. Big fish. Keiryu's got a beautiful little bend in it. This fish is really doing a number here for me. This water is too fast for me to try to land it right now, so we're just gonna try to coax it over here behind me, where I got the water breaking here behind me, and we'll see if we can get it landed. Oh yeah, that's a fish. That is official. Come on up here. Right in the lip. Look at that. Beautiful. In the net. And that's why I don't use longer lines than my rod. Right there. Let's get this fly out. Hey, 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 come on. That fish just bit me on the finger. Super aggressive. Oh boy, that is a beautiful trout there in the net. Real beautiful. The size of that thing. What a beast. Let's see what we got there. 8 there. 9 there, 17-inch rainbow on that rod. What a beautiful fish. Let's get the rod put away real quick, and we'll get our hands in here with this nice beautiful rainbow. Look at that specimen. Little cup bow. What a beauty. There she goes. Woo! What a day.